Hi guys! In a few moments, mawi-witness na natin ang pagputok ng cannon to break the fast para mag-uumpisa na ang iftar cannon. Ayan, so in a few moments load na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to witness ang pagpuputok ng traditional na cannon. You have just witnessed, ladies and gentlemen, ang pagputok ng traditional na cannon.
Wow, bungol!
Ganon niya mga tao.